So yeah, number one advice, you have a plan, be purposeful. I think that that's probably the most important thing. And I think that your organization, your departments, your engineers are going to really appreciate the thoughtfulness and the efforts to have that in place, have that North Star. Don't be afraid to be prescriptive. With that, there's a lot of best practices out there right now. The path is being fairly well worn with organizations that are succeeding in this space. Take a page from their playbooks. There's no reason to recreate the wheel, but have a plan. The second thing is just drive automation, automate as much as you can. You really don't want folks, around there click-opping your way around, the different environments, driving some level of base automation and really encouraging, that again, the infrastructure as code concepts really should be part of the DNA within an organization. That's going to go a very long way, sort of API based sort of, engagements between services. And then the third is, I think it's really this idea of this transition between, we talked about establishing this center of an excellence, but, be very thoughtful about how you transition from the smartest department in the organization to eventually the dumbest, right? How do you transition from a center of excellence to a center of enablement? Because at the end of the day, you have to empower your people with the skills to do the work, right? So it's a very tall order, what we've been talking about up to this point in terms of doing hybrid cloud, doing another cloud provider, doing multiple clouds. Who's going to do the work, right? So, have a real strong plan in place, really focus on the automation, and at the end of the day, just, empower your people to be able to do the work and achieve